Hey guys, today let's learn how to add swipe up link on Instagram story. So if you guys want to go ahead and add this swipe up link on your Instagram story in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Basically, this swipe up link feature is only going to be available to those people who has at least 10,000 followers. So basically, you do need to be verified to have this feature, and you also need to have 10,000 followers at least. So if you are just a normal user of Snapchat and you don't really have at least 10,000 followers, well, this feature won't be available to you. But if you are that person who has 10,000 followers and is also having a verified account, in order for you guys to have this swipe up link is to go ahead and proceed with uploading an Instagram story. So basically, uploading an Instagram story should have the swipe up link feature just by tapping on the plus URL link to add a web page. So let's go ahead and try that right now. So I've just took a photo of my desk right here, and what I want to do is to tap on the stickers option and then tap on the link or URL option. So over here we're going to have this option, but for those people who are verified and also has 10,000 plus followers, they will have the plus URL link to add a web page, and that is basically the option for them to have the swipe up link, so that of course when people view their story they will receive as well the swipe up link so that they can swipe up to view the link that is posted. And that's all for this video, guys. That is how you guys have and add the swipe up link. You do need to have 10,000 followers first. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.